a place like it's a farm, but it's like a place of a visiting place, a tourism center. People will come there and they see the animals and they enjoy themselves and release their stresses and those things. See, animals are something that when you think them like this, when people come there and the animals are too friendly with they release their stress and those things. It gives them people happiness. So I just want to do something like that and kept them the bush animal way. Right now Ghana here, the people are destroying our forest and those things. So this animal, they are not safe in the forest. But when they came home like this, they have assurance with the owner, which is assuring them that they are safe. I want to bring them into a place that I can even rear them so that they multiply. So anytime our generation to come, because it will come to a time our generation to come, it will be difficult for them to see this animal reality unless they see them in books or in animal kingdoms, in TVs and those things. But we want to bring them home, keep them, so that when they grow, when our generation to come, these animals, they will find it easy to see them.